Good morning, squad. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be something a little bit different on my channel, and that is a day in the life with Yeada, of course. If you are new, thank you for clicking on this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that way you can join the Glamo squad. Y'all, I'm trying something a little bit different on my channel, so all feedback is highly appreciated. If you like this type of video, leave it down in the comment below. If you want to see something different, let me know. All feedback is welcome, and I needed to know if y'all vibing with these type of videos or not. Today is Saturday. It's a little bit after 9 o'clock, and I need to go to Walmart. I figure if you go run your errands early, you ain't got to worry about the crowd. You can get what you want. You ain't got to be like, excuse me, can I get past you? Like, no, you ain't got to do it all that. So I like to go pretty early on a Saturday morning. I also need to go and get a car wash because Black Panther, yes, that's what I call my truck. Black Panther is dirty and it needs to wash. So I'm going to do that too. Give it a little vacuum, give it a little shine, you know. Yeah, so we're about to go run and do that. Then I need to come back and deep clean my apartment. Y'all, I've been going out of town like every week. Like the past few weekends I have been out of town, and I've been neglecting my apartment as far as cleaning. And normally my routine every Saturday is to clean, but since I ain't been here, it hasn't got a real good clean in a while, so I'm gonna do that today. And then I need to do something to this hair. I washed it yesterday. I'm low-key missing my straight hair, but y'all, it's supposed to be 87 degrees today, and the way my roots is set up, like this heat is not going to. It's just, I don't know. I don't know. We might have to see. Trial and error, y'all. Trial and error. So, yeah. We're about to go run and do that. Pull up to the car wash.
Please wait till we verify your membership.
Alright, girl.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list of
Hold on, y'all. I'm the only one have to do this. I'm in Walmart, I always have to stop at the home decor aisles just to see what they got new. I got this. This is in my kitchen area above my desk. How cute is that? Bless this mess. Too cute. They got some little cute stuff. Y'all, don't be sleeping on Walmart home decor, okay? Because they definitely be having some cute stuff. And prices are very reasonable. Let's go to the next aisle. Lamps, mirrors. That lamp is cute. I don't know, y'all. They just be having some cute stuff. That mirror is only $55. Guys, that's so different, but that is actually kind of cute. And Target got that same lamp right there for way more. I kid y'all not. Look, who need big rugs? Not bad. That 7.5 feet by 10 feet is $49.98. All black. It don't look like it's that thick, but hey, it'll do the job. These little doormats. Too bad I got one already, but that hello one is cute. Very boho. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a trash can. This is so cute. Now this is cute. I should get this. For $4, yeah. You're coming home with me. Look at this. Whoa, that's cute. I got this one too, a little tumbler. And they got the soap dish. Okay, Walmart. Alright guys, so I made it back home and look, it looks so cute over here. I got that from Walmart. They tried to charge me $6.97, but the lady gave me it for $3.97 because as y'all seen in that clip, it sure said like $3.97, not $6. So if you go to Walmart, I guess this is supposed to be $6.97 instead of $3. So yeah, but I wanted to show y'all my new pickups from Target. This one, I already put my body wash in here. So I got that from Target. I got this from Target. And look at this new little baby. I got this from Target as well. And look, y'all. Look how much it was. $4.99. So cute. For my little corner. So this is how it looks. Too cute, right? Too cute. Okay. I just posted a new video on my Instagram story. If y'all are not, follow me at the Glamour Effect Designs. This is my home decor DIY business page. Make sure you are following. Alright, so now it is about 10:45. So we did good on time. Spent about an hour making my runs, going to get a car wash. So yeah, I think I'm about to make me something to eat. Probably a late breakfast because I just love breakfast food. Yeah, and then make lunch. I got my stuff going in the dryer so I can put my sheets and stuff back on my bed. And then yeah, just get to cleaning up around the house and do something to this head of mine. Yeah, and basically chill out. Alright guys, so I am feeling like myself all over again, and I wanted to just come on here really quick to close out the vlog. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I didn't vlog as much as I could have because my brother and nieces came over, spent a little quality time with them, and now I'm about to go head out and go get some pizza and possibly some sunshine. Yeah, so thank you guys again for watching and hanging out with me today. Again, if you like these type of vlogs, Leave it down in the comment section below. If you don't comment, I won't know if you like the vlog or not. If there are any new suggestions as to what type of videos you guys want to see, drop them below as well. Follow me on Instagram at @theglamour_chick and my design page at the Glamour Effect Designs. Okay, so until next time, as y'all can see, I am feeling myself with this hair. Okay, I love when I straighten my hair. It's just anyways, yeah, I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.